We gather today at a special place and at a special time. We welcome our new Ismaili Center in a setting which has itself become a great center, a hub of cosmopolitan activity, a truly global crossroads. We hear a great deal these days about the words convergence and connectivity. In my judgment, Dubai is a place where those words truly come to life. Dubai has become the very embodiment of the global village, placing itself at the forefront of an enormous surge towards global convergence. The Dubai ethic is one that honors a generous exchange of knowledge and ideas, that welcomes the opportunity to learn from others, that celebrates not only our historic identities, but also our open horizons. This ethic of exploration and interconnectedness is one that is deeply shared by the Ismaili community. It is an ethic, in fact, that is firmly rooted in our faith, a value system which grows from deeply spiritual roots. It understands that human diversity is itself a gift of Allah, that pluralism is not a threat, but a blessing. It sees the desire to explore and connect as a way to learn and grow, not to dilute our identities, but to enrich our self-knowledge. This ethic emanates ultimately from a relationship to the divine, which inspires a deep sense of personal humility, and a relationship to humankind, which is infused with a spirit of generous service and mutual respect. This new center is itself a profoundly spiritual place. Its defining symbolism is inspired by the Fatimid tradition stretching back over 1,000 years and widely shared with sister traditions throughout the Islamic world, from Baghdad to Bukhara. As its architects have so effectively realized, this building exists fundamentally as a place for peaceful contemplation, but one that is set in a social context. It is not a place to hide from the world, but rather a place which inspires us to engage our worldly work as a direct extension of our faith. Just as Dubai is indeed a very special place, this is also a very special time. For me, this is particularly true because this new beginning coincides with my 50th year as Imam of the Shia Ismaili Muslims, a golden jubilee moment which connects the past to the future for me, and in a very special way. And that is what this celebration today is all about. At a time of demanding challenge, we look for strength and inspiration from our spiritual and cultural roots. My thanks again to all of you for sharing this special moment. Thank you.
We do it together.